Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about the fact that there is some major crypto news out there. Specifically is focused around Bitcoin and Ethereum. But don't tune me out if you are looking for information on ADA or Harmony One or Polygon or Polkadot. Because here's the thing. This news that I'm about to give you is entirely relevant to every single one of the cryptos I just mentioned. Oh, by the way, it's relevant to the other top 100 cryptos or beyond. Because when you're looking at the overall crypto market, you need to look at what is going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum because they will drive the rest of the market. And I have some pretty insane news to show you, some major crypto news to show you that, for example, how would you love it if Bitcoin went to $1 million? Yes, you heard me right. If Bitcoin went to $1 million per coin, what do you think that would do to the overall market? What do you think that would do to the price of insert whatever crypto you want here? If you own Polkadot, if you own Solana, if you own XLM, if you own XRP, if you own Cardano, it doesn't matter. Bitcoin rising that much will bring the entire market cap of the entire cryptocurrency market up an insane, astounding amount. And that's what we're going to talk about. Oh, by the way, the exact same thing can be talked about and discussed for Ethereum. So we're going to focus on Bitcoin and we're going to focus on Ethereum, but keep in mind how it impacts everything else. And this is good news. As always, thanks for your support of myself, my video, my channels. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Need to make you aware. I have my Patreon group. Here's the thing. If you're looking for help, you need help, you want guidance, you want help with your portfolio, you want to get a roadmap to follow, then it might be of interest to you. Click on the link in the description or top pinned comment below. Love to help you. I give you direct access to me. I give you portfolio guidance. This is helping you with your portfolio. You get to see my inner circle portfolio. I give you buy, sell, trade alerts, and I have a Discord community wrapped all the way around this so that you're not alone in this journey. So check it out if that's of interest to you. Okay. So look, we're first going to start with Bitcoin and then we're going to move into Ethereum. We're going to talk about the fact that, again, Bitcoin and Ethereum drive the overall market conditions. And as they rise or fall, then the entire market goes up or down. We have to agree on that as a baseline to this entire video. Okay. So what do you think in the comments below? What do you think about Bitcoin going to $1 million? Say that $1 million, right? I mean, we all know what movie that's from. Okay, so Bitcoin at $1 million, Ethereum to $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 or more per Ethereum. What do you think? Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna first look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now trading at 689. It went down on me a little bit. Currently trading flat. Not really overly concerning. We're looking down the road when we're talking about this major, massive crypto news or Bitcoin news for you as well. Okay. Again, everybody pretty much doesn't even blink when you're talking about Bitcoin going to 60,000, getting back to close to its all-time high. Everybody pretty much readily agrees that Bitcoin could go to 100,000. Okay, now let's flip it and talk about this. So Fidelity, this is a major tweet out there. Fidelity says that 90% of their clients, right here in the upper right-hand corner, oh, you can't see that. I apologize. Let me move that down right here. Now it's on the screen. Fidelity says that 90% of their clients want Bitcoin exposure. Okay, cool. So Fidelity predicts that by 2026, a single Bitcoin will be worth $1 million. By 2030, a single Bitcoin will be worth $10 million. And by 2035, a single Bitcoin will be worth $100 million. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. Here's the thing. Even if you do not own Bitcoin, if you never, ever want to own Bitcoin, which my advice to you would be, not investment advice, it's probably not a bad idea to own some Bitcoin. I own some Bitcoin. Ethereum is my largest holding, but I do own Bitcoin, okay? Because look at the numbers. And here's the thing. Look at this number and go, all right, you know what? Hey, Fidelity, and this is not me saying it. Fidelity is giving this prediction or this projection. Fidelity, I think you're crazy. All right, let's cut it to, and by 2026, what if Bitcoin is worth 200,000? What if it's worth 150? What if it's worth 3? Insert your number here, because at this current price point, if you put $1,000 into Bitcoin today and it goes up to say $1 million. What is that? 0.5. That's 20 times your money. Don't do math in public. Yeah, that's 20 times your money. It means that $1,000 would equal $20,000 by 2026. Not a bad return on investment. Am I telling you to go buy Bitcoin? Not necessarily. It has to be in the right fit for you. And again, not investment advice. But really what I'm showing you is that this in the context of what did I say when I opened up and gave you the intro of this video, is that if Bitcoin runs and goes on a massive bullish run, it will have a positive impact on every single thing else. Insert the crypto you love here. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Solana, Polkadot, Terra Luna. I don't care. Chainlink. It doesn't matter. Because if Bitcoin goes up that much, it will drag the entire value, and along with it, your favorite crypto will get that free catalyst of the entire crypto market dramatically expanding as we go. Make sense? Pretty darn cool. Oh, by the way, get this. Crypto could replace rival fiat currencies within 5 to 10 years. 76% of all the financial professionals surveyed by Deloitte. These are financial professionals. Bankers, people in the industry, think they're a little spooked about the power of crypto. 76% of them think that crypto could replace rival fiat companies within 5 or 10 years. How is that from a positive momentum standpoint for the overall crypto market? That's why this is massive crypto news, right? Okay, let's flip. Let's talk about Ethereum, currently trading at 33 and change. I'm massively bullish on Ethereum. I've done quite a few Ethereum videos. I've talked about all these kinds of different things, but I want to point out a few. There's this great guy. I'm assuming it's a guy. I don't know if it is. This or a group of people. Croissant ETH. Love them. This is a thread over here on his Twitter feed. So many things lining up for ETH. It's hard for me not to expect a massive run up coming in the next few weeks. Well on its way to becoming a multi-trillion-dollar asset. Let's discuss multi-trillion. Right now the market cap is, where are we at? Right there, 391 billion. Multi-trillion. Pretty good. Okay. I'm going to quickly go through this because I need to check the time. Okay, yeah, I've only got a few more minutes, so I spent a lot more time on Bitcoin than I thought. So look, this is talking about TVL, total value locked. In 2021, it was 16. Now it's 85 billion. What this really, the theme of this thread is how much is being built onto, around Ethereum. How much is happening, okay? So that's total value locked. This would place ETH as the 20th largest bank in the world by market cap. Think about that for a minute. So let me see here. Let me see what else I want to show you. Outright explosion of DeFi. The amount of Ether placed in smart contracts has similarly gone to all-time high. In fact, an unbelievable 26% of all ETH is in smart contracts at the moment. We can only expect this trend to continue. Look at this. Crazy. Look at that graph. It's crazy. Let's see. At some point, we have to ask. Look at this. 26% of ETH locked in smart contracts, 116 billion TVL in DeFi, 5.5 of all ETH staked. EIP 155 on 9 on pace to burn 4.5 billion worth of ETH this year. Liquidity pools, exchange balances reaching 3 years low. How much of ETH supply is actually circulating? What does that mean? The ETH is going to become more and more scarce. Drive the price up as we move along. ETH is growing at a pace faster than even Bitcoin. Right here where my cursor is. See it? In terms of active developers, not even close. This is a big, big deal, right? The number of new Ethereum developers, ETH devs. The devs are the ones that are creating the projects on top of ETH. So that is now, it is outpacing. Ethereum gained 300 average monthly developers since Q3 of 2019. The dev is exploding. The development work, the project work is exploding, which will help to do what? Continue to propel the Ethereum environment forward bigger. Thus, the price goes up. Burnt ETH. It just goes on and on and on, guys. And I'm coming up to almost 12 minutes on this video. I want to keep it kind of short. EIP has been nothing short. This was Ethereum Improvement Proposal 1559 that went live on August 5th. I believe it was the exact date. This is basically started implementing burns. It's moving away from proof of work to proof of stake, all those kind of things. It's amazing. Look, more than 102,000 ETH have been burned since it went live, making Ethereum more scarce as it moves forward. Okay, the amount of ETH being staked, 23 billion, approximately 6.1 of all ETH, 6.1%. Increasingly significant. This is expected to increase significantly after the merge to proof of stake. Crazy. Look at this. The total numbers of ETH wallets having ever interacted with top DeFi protocols. And look at some of these numbers here. It's crazy. I mean, this just goes on and on and on. Stable coins are growing at some extraordinary value for ETH as an asset. Continues to go. Just the numbers are astounding. I'll settle on this one. Look at this. Right here. Network use. Right here where my cursor is. Ethereum is now regularly settling more value per day than Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency market by capitalization. This will only continue to grow with upgrades like ETH 2.0. As block space is more demand with time and adoption, Ether will become more scarce. The price will go up. With which blockchain is selling more value? Look, ETH is selling 24.754 billion per day. Bitcoin is 8.56 billion per day. It's crazy. So let's wrap it up. What's my point? Bitcoin and Ethereum getting bigger and bigger and bigger will drive the value for the entire crypto market capitalization. The entire crypto market cap will continue to grow along with them. They're talking about Ethereum being valued in the trillions. Bitcoin being valued obviously in the bigger trillions and all those kind of things. Ethereum, everybody pretty much readily agrees that 6,000 to 9,000 is a doable number by the end of this year. Moving into 10, 15, 20,000 plus in 2022. By 2023, 30 to 50,000 per ETH is not out of sight or out of mind. Insane. Major crypto news. Hope you enjoyed it. Should be a wake-up call. Buying opportunities. See ya. Bye. Not investment advice. Bye.